Hey guys, what's up? It's Red Queen and welcome to the pilot episode of Nerd Herd. It's time for nerds to get heard. Anyway, have you heard about the pesky demon that if you say his name 3 times, he will suddenly appear? Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Oops, I'm not gonna say it the 3rd time. Beetlejuice is a name that is all too familiar with the 90s kids because the original movie actually came out back in 1988. It took 36 long years for the sequel to happen, and now that it is finally here, let me show you what happened during the exclusive premiere by Warner Brothers. Check it out.
What's up? My name is Andy, and today we are covering the exclusive premiere of Dre.
Hi. You know the name 3 times? Hi, how you doing?
I did.
Hi. Dre Gaspar, single 8 years.
No, we are at the exclusive premiere of
Beetlejuice. Oh, wala, 4, 5 na.
Let's Come On.
Natry mo na ba yun?
Let's Come On.
Let's Shamon.
Let's Shamon.
Diba, kung naabutan nyo tong una na to, masakit na likod mo. Ano?
Aray. Tinamaan ako. Ako'y sumakit ang likod eh. So there's one more thing that you need to do if you guys are gonna be watching Beetlejuice. It is to scan this QR code. Para makita nyo yung picture nyo kung anong itsura nyo pag kayo ay... So you wanna see what it looks like? Let's go find out.
Ooh, what the heck does it look like? Yeah.
Hi guys.
Oh, hey.
Show us how you look like.
Oh, it's so we're going on that floor. It even got my glasses.
Oh, it did.
Yeah.
You look like the Pinoy version of the Joker. Only blue one.
Yeah.
FPJ.
Dude, this is so good. Yeah.
So hey guys, we're done with the film. I actually watched Beetlejuice growing up as a kid, so I know how it goes. And for the second film, I think this is a great stand-alone sequel to Beetlejuice, considering the fact that, you know, everyone stayed in character, especially from the original cast. I think Jenna Ortega is actually one of the perfect cast for this film. And if you guys haven't watched the first film, I think that you should, but nevertheless, it's still a great movie.
So there you have it, guys. I'd still pick the original one though. But Jenna Ortega, I still believe that she was born for the role. You know, I don't think Beetlejuice will happen without her. So again, thank you so much, Warner Brothers, for inviting us. And speaking of invitations, Geek Talk got invited to attend PokeCon 2024 to a panel hosted by Firelord Birdie or Birdie of Talon Esports Pokemon Unite team.
Today, we are live at the PokeCon community event. So we have some of our Geek Talk friends here at the back lounge. So we're going to ask them, what is it that you like about the PokeCon and also your favorite Pokemon?
What I like about PokeCon is just seeing all of the artisanal Pokemon stuff. Like all these artists who make their own stuff, be it plushies or artwork and all the postcards and stickers. Seeing them come together, I think I've always loved supporting local, even when I was younger, so I love that and seeing all of their creativity. And Gengar is my favorite Pokemon. Dahil lagi ako kinaghost.
Favorite thing dito sa PokeCon event? And also favorite Pokemon na rin?
Dito, gusto ko yung mga Pokemon merch. Gusto ko makakita. Kasi I'm looking for Tyranitar. Mga favorite Pokemon yun. Tyranitar, Dragonite. Yung mga malalaking Pokemon, halata naman kung bakit.
Yung mga malalaki. Pag malaki, malakas. Mas mahirap talunin, tama?
Oo, nadadaan sa laki.
Dadaan sa laki.
Guys, please welcome Andy! Thank you for having us and I'm excited to meet all of you. Our tita, gamer, Coach Abby! Sabi nga sino yung Gen 1ers, sabi ko yung mga batang kanto. Di ba? Mga kanto boys and kanto girls. Hey! Hooray! I'm gonna be just a therapist. The only one that was. Okay, Galactic Shark!
Hello everyone.
and thanks for having us today. Excited ako mapagkwentuhan sa inyo. Tapos, kung gusto nyo lumapit sa amin, nakita nyo na kami, hindi kami nangangagat.
Mr. Lifehack! Hat! Naka-team rocket siya. Hello po. Hello po. Ako po si Hans Galendez. Itong Lifehack para sa iyo.
Natutunan ko kay Ash na it's never too late.
Hey, what's up, nerds? My name is Red Queen Andy.
I'm Coach Abby, and we're here at Market Market. So you can see there, that's our poster. And katatapos na ng panel namin. So it's a really nice opportunity to address the Pokemon community and share our stories and share our love for Pokemon. So how was it your first panel?
First panel ko to share my story about Pokemon. Syempre, ang galing, napaka-engaging ng community ng Pokemon. And again, I'm very happy to be part of this whole event. Thank you for inviting us. And syempre, I'm just very happy to have had the chance to share what I know about Pokemon.
Now, of course, syempre, every moment naman with Geek Talk, we also treasure and value. And sana magkaroon pa tayo ng more opportunities, I guess, para to just share stories kasi that's all there is to it, na parang you can just be proud of the things you love and share whatever joy you have and whatever yung mga likes and dislikes natin naman. Yeah. So if you guys were here sa Market, let us know kung ano yung favorite Pokemon moment ninyo, and if hindi pa kayo nakapunta, let us know kung saan nyo mas gusto na ma-take pa ng Pokemon Philippines community itong kanilang convention.
So that is it, everyone. Antayin nyo pa yung mga susunod na events namin. More to come, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you guys again soon.
So that is it for the entertainment side for now. We'll keep you posted on all of our events. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. It's at Red Queen Andy. So, see you again, nerds.
Hey nerds, BB Love here, and welcome to the pilot episode of Nerd Hurt, where it's time for nerds to get hurt. Since it's a pilot episode, very timely na pag-usapan din natin ang recently concluded na Honor of Kings Championship Philippine Qualifiers, at nakilala na natin ang top 2 teams na magre-representa ng Pilipinas para sa hashtag Pag-asa ng Pinas ngayong darating na Honor of Kings Championship.
5:13, pasok kayo ng Liampo, Brothers! Happy New Year! Nag-cap, tatlo ngayon ang mawawala. Wala doon si Chami Wan. Esports pa rin! Ang lalamang tatlo ngayon ang mawawala. Wala doon si Chami Wan. Lumipat na lang, pero wala nang dahil siya pa.
Mga kaibigan, ramdam na ramdam nyo na ang lakas at isigaw dito Pag-asa ng Pinas kasi sa Bobby's Boss ang tawas!
Victory! And the Conquerors! Para sa HOK Philippines, still Boom Esports!
Ngunit bago masungkit ng Boom Esports at Blacklist International ang kanilang slot secured para sa PH Qualifiers, syempre dumaan muna sila sa mga matitinding bakbakan dahil may mga mangilan-ngilan na nagbigay ng challenge para sa kanila. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang Open Series ay yung mga teams na mismong nag-register at nakilahok within the game mismo ni HOK. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila directly invited or sila mismo masasabi nating mga teams na aspiring maging pro player. Para sa mga teams na nakasali sa Open Series, yan ang LFO, Bear Rapture, Yamato Crusaders at ang New Era X-Pro. Plus, may plot twist dito kasi ang LFO ay finally nagkaroon na ng organization during the event itself at ang umabsorb sa kanila ay ang Phoenix Rising Esports. Samantalang, yung mga invited teams naman ay yung ilan sa mga teams na kilala or established na pagdating sa larangan ng esports, be it MOBA or FPS. Kagaya na lamang ng Blacklist International, Boom Esports, Execration, Team Flash PH, Oasis Gaming, Eureka, Elevate at yung Aquila Next Gen. Hindi man pinalad ang iilan ay paniguradong buhay pa rin ang hashtag Pag-asa ng Pilipinas sa Boom Esports at Blacklist International. Apart from Boom Esports at Blacklist International, ito naman ang mga slots devoted para sa iba't ibang region. 3 ang para sa Indonesia dahil sila ang host na country, Malaysia ay 2, si wildcard consists of Myanmar, Cambodia, Brunei, at Singapore. Brazil, 1, MENA, 1, at Turkey na meron din 1 slot. Ang mga nasabing regional qualifiers ay magaganap ngayong September, samantalang ang main stage ay ngayong darating na October. This and more for the prize pool of 58 million pesos para sa darating na Hawk Championship ngayong October, samantalang 580,000 naman ang may uwi prize pool para sa Philippine qualifiers. Bumi Sports at Blacklist International ang hashtag pag-asa ng Pinas ngayong darating ng Honor of Kings Championship. Kung gusto niyo silang tutukan at magkaroon ng mga Hawk kaalaman, make sure to follow me on my social media pages at Bibimbap. Cheers to this and many more nerds. Follow Nerd Herd and join the herd.
So AI para hayahay. AI seems to be the buzzword this year. From the newly launched Asus VivoBook S15 with Copilot Plus PC to the Realme 13 Pro Plus with AI camera features, more and more consumer tech brands seem to mention AI as a productivity tool. Pero teka lang. Productivity tool nga ba o marketing tool lang ang AI? Hi, I'm Coach Abby, your tech tita, and this is Nerd Herd. It's time for nerds to get heard. We've seen the concept of AI in different movies and series, but instead of worrying about AI being our master, maybe we should just learn to master AI muna, di ba? Let's focus on Google's most capable AI model yet, Gemini. From Bard to better na nga ba ito? Now, I was privileged to be invited to be part of Gemini Academy, Google's Gen AI training for media and creators. Here, we had the opportunity to be prompt kings and queens by learning how to maximize Gemini's capabilities by using the proper prompts. After a comprehensive discussion led by Gabby Rojas, marketing lead of Google Philippines, Vietnam, and South Asia Frontier, I have to agree. Gemini is a workflow workhorse. From aiding in drafting your emails to helping you brainstorm, Gemini can be your professional and personal assistant. Personally, my two favorite features are, one, its ability not just to consolidate but to help visualize data. As in, may mga graphs and may mga tables na siyang kayang gawin for you. At di lang doon natatapos, you can actually export it to Google Sheets. Now, the second one that I really love is Synth ID. We know how AI seems to infringe and pose a threat on the creative industry, especially some visual arts. But with Synth ID, AI-generated pictures, videos, and even audio files are watermarked, making it distinguishable from human-made art. This feature will in turn protect the artists. Now, if you want to explore Gemini to improve your efficiency, these are 4 tips to improve your prompt proficiency. Tech Tita tips muna tayo. Number 1, use natural language. So far, hindi pa nakakapag-Filipino si Gemini. So it's best to use English to communicate. Now, Gemini is not a search engine, so dropping random keywords will not ensure the best results. Yung ginagawa natin sa Google ay maaaring hindi same yung quality na output kung gagawin natin sa Gemini. Number 2, be specific. Give context when asking Gemini to respond and to generate things. This will help ensure that you get the tone and the type of response depending on your context. For example, kung content creator ka, tell Gemini that you are a content creator. Kung teacher ka naman, sabihin mo rin kay Gemini. This will help Gemini change up the tone and give you the level of information na akma para sa iyong role. Make it a conversation. A session with Gemini has continuity. So if you don't get the response that you want from your first prompt, and if you are unsatisfied, you can ask Gemini to give you more options, more iterations ng same prompt, or to actually change its tone. This one, wala sa discussion namin. But I think it's best to explore on your own. Get started, install the Google app or make sure it's updated sa inyong mga phone and click on the Gemini tab to get started. You may also visit this site to take Gemini for a run sa iyong browser. I'd like to take this chance to thank Google Philippines for keeping us posted with the latest news and inviting us in their creator events. To hear more tech news and tech chica, follow me, your Tita Maritech, Coach Abby, on my social media accounts. See you sa next episode, fellow nerd, and hit that like, follow, or subscribe button and join the herd. You can also comment and request kung ano yung topics na gusto nyo i-cover namin. This has been Nerd Herd. It's time for nerds to get heard.